Here at the Timeshare Advice Line, our 3-step claims process is simple and straightforward. Step 1 is to contact us today to find out if you could qualify to make a no-win, no-fee claim against your resort. We'll conduct a free claims check to see if you could be entitled to claim your money back. Our highly trained advisors will discuss with you the circumstances of your timeshare purchase to establish if you've been missold or if your contract is not likely to meet legal requirements in the country where you purchased. From there, if your claim is found to be viable, we'll help you to collate all paperwork required and explain how the claim process works. We'll let you know roughly how long the process will take and how much you can expect to receive. Finally, your claim will be submitted and we'll provide you with regular updates on your case. To get started with no obligation, simply fill in the form on our website or call us free today on 0800 060 8729 and our friendly advisors are on hand to answer any questions you may have.